So film photography has been making a comeback, with 35mm being one of the most common formats used by film photographers today. While 35mm film is easy to find and very affordable, it does have its limitations. For extra large prints, 35mm film sometimes may not be enough. With a larger area of 6x6, medium format film can capture more detail and resolution than 35mm. The camera I'll be using today is the Yashica twin lens reflex medium format film camera. The focal length of the main lens is 80mm with a maximum aperture of 3.5. The focal length of the viewfinder lens is 85mm with a maximum aperture of 2.8. First, let's put some film inside of the camera. Turn the camera over and twist the film back lock. Remove the old film from the top. Now take the old spool from the bottom and move it back to where the old film was. It takes a little bit of fiddling around, but once you get that spool in, you can open up your new pack of film. You put your new film down to where that spool was. Make sure the black side of the film is facing inwards. Take the tab from the beginning of the film and insert it into the slot of the old spool. Once the film is securely within the notch, you can take the wind-up lever and wind it until the arrows meet the red dots. Now go ahead and close the back of the camera. Now all you have to do is wind the lever until the window says 1. Now your film is ready to shoot. Now that your film is loaded, let's talk about how to change the settings of the camera. So using this dial, you can adjust the shutter speed of the camera. And using this dial, you can adjust the aperture of the camera. There's a lever to activate a timer too. And this is the shutter button. You press this to take a picture. If you flip the top up, you can see the viewfinder. Watch out because it's reversed. This is the magnifier so you can fine-tune. And on the left of the camera is the focusing knob. Now that your camera is all set and you know the settings, you can now take your first picture.